much for tapping that screen. Hello, Zip. How are you? Aw, thanks for the heart me. Hi, Sam. Good evening. What's your question, Kristen? Peekaboo. Good job. Peekaboo. 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 When we started working with them, they were 2 weeks old. When we got them and brought them home, they were 4 weeks old. Yeah, Hopi's birthday. It's Hopi's birthday today. It's this bird's birthday today. Happy birthday, Hopi-do. Happy birthday, Hopi-do. Happy birthday. But Kristen, that was because we knew the owner. We knew the guy who had them really well. So that was the only reason. What? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Go. Good job. Yes, Zip. It was Chris. Yep. Hey, come here. You want to come out, Jack? Come on, Jack. Come on. Come on, Jack. Come on, Jack. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. You don't want to come out? Jenna. Come on, Jack. Come on. All right, Jack. Bye. We're leaving Jack in there. Jack doesn't want to come out. Have I ever heard of histoplasmosis? I don't know. I don't think so. Maybe. I might have. Might have heard of that. All right, I'm going to put this umbrella up. Sensimilia. Oh, it's so nice out. It's a little warm. I don't know if I want to wear my sweatshirt, but yeah, Zip. He's cool. He's a cool guy. We don't really talk to him anymore, but he's a cool guy. Hey, Gussie! Trying to get Gussie over here. It's beautiful there too, Bethany? Nice. Well, you're not far from us, so definitely. Hi, Samantha. How are you? I'm rubbing it in. I'm sorry. It's hot, though. I don't know if I can wear this sweatshirt, but whew. Hopefully I'll just wear it to block the sun off my neck, but. Hi, Devo. How are you? Hello. All right. I think Jack wants to come out now. I'm going to go grab Jack. Are you coming? Come on. Come on. Jack. Come on. Come on. You can't go out that way. Come on. Look. Come on. Good job. Good boy. Here. Go. He just came out shooting out. He tried going out the window. Weirdo. He literally tried going out the window. That was so funny. Can you guys see me okay? Hi, Tay. How are you? Can you guys see me okay? Is the reception okay? It's okay now? Okay. I just turned off Wi-Fi. For some reason, Wi-Fi connection was like stopping it. I don't know. I was frozen. That's weird. Wonder why. Doing well, Tay. Thanks for asking. Come to Scotland, I'd be glad to go home. I like it here. It's nice and warm for sure. It's okay on your end. Good. All right. Perfect. Good. Yeah, it was like frozen for a second. I was like, what the heck? Where did you guys go? I couldn't do anything. Yep, this is Jack. No, Trey. So the birds sleep the same amount of time that we sleep. So when we go to bed, they go to bed. They sleep when the sun goes down and they wake up when the sun rises. But they really don't wake us up until we wake them up. So they get up around like 7 a.m.-ish and then go to bed around like, I would say probably like 7 p.m. maybe around 7 p.m., 7:30, just depending on how long we have them up for. But hi, Gringa, how are you? We are going to do some training today. Yes, so we're actually going to do some crate training. I'm going to go grab the crate. I'm going to bring it out here, and we're going to do crate training outside. I've never done crate training with them out here in the backyard, and I really want to work on that. That's something with the little birds that I really need to work on because they're not harness trained, nor am I probably going to harness them. So we're going to do some backyard target training in the crate. So let's see if they even want to work on it. I'm going to go grab the crate right now. This kid might want to work on it, but we'll see. We'll see what he does. Jack, you want to come? Come. Good boy. All right, go. They think they're going to come out when they're screaming like crazy? I don't think so. I don't think so. Charlie. Let's see if I can get this. Charlie. When you come around. Woo! Hi, Jack. Who has a little... Yes. Nice. The birds are so quiet. They are so loud and annoying. So loud and annoying. That's what they are. Ugh. All right. We're going to do some targeting with Jack on the crate here outside. So this will be the first time we've worked with the crate. We're going to do some target training first. Good boy. Touch. Touch. Good job. So we're going to do a little bit of target training here with the crate. And then we're going to see if we can target him down into the crate. Gussie might be interested in this in a second, once Gussie kind of sees what we're doing. But right now he's chewing on the tree. So I'm actually going to lower my reinforcer here real quick with Jack so he doesn't get too full with the pine nuts. So what I'm doing is I have my target stick right here. And this is kind of my tool where I'm able to move my bird around without having to physically put them anywhere. They know by the area I put this in is where I want them to go. So the object of this is, especially when you want to crate train and work on your birds getting into a crate or working on them getting into a cage, the object of this is being able to target them right into the crate. And you want to teach them the target game first before you get to this step by just simply having them target to a perch, especially if they're flighted. Target them to a perch. Hey, come here. Come on. Check. Come. All right, and then have them touch the stick. Click and reward. And you want to be able to move them to each side of the perch. So we'll see if I can get Jack to come to the end of this perch over here. He's still eating his treat, so I'm just going to give him his time. Here he comes. He's going to touch the stick. Good job. I'm going to click and give him his reward. And you'll do this over and over and over until your bird understands the target game. Then from there, you can kind of play around with it a little bit more and move them around. Up and down. You can do some flighted target with it, targets to your hand. So for example, if I want to train cue to the hand, good job, and then give him his reward. So there's a lot of things you can do with the target. Hi, Lisa, how are you? How red is Jack have? What do you mean, Summers? How red is Jack have? What do you mean by that? Hi, Robin. Thank you so much for the heart me. Hi, Lisa. Thank you. Thank you. How are you guys? So bright. The sun is so bright. I should go get my glasses, my sunglasses. All right, let's see if I can get him to target down onto the perch here. There we go. Touch. Good job. Now, this is a good opportunity for me to close the gate. So if I was out free flying him and I wanted him to go inside, I could close the door. I'm not going to do that right now because I want this experience to be a positive experience. So I'm going to keep him here and just do some targeting with him. As soon as he's done eating his pine nut, I gave him a pine nut because that was really good by him. Now he's looking around right now. He's looking at the wild birds. He's listening to all the noises that's going on out here. This is really good for him for when I do bring this crate out when we're free flying. I can practice this, you know, in our backyard for him to get ready to be out in the wild. I'm going to target him to the top of the door. Come on, buddy. Good job. All right. Now we'll see if I can get him to target on his own, right back down to the perch after he's done eating his treat here. Come on. Now, the object of this too is you want your birds to feel like this is a safe space for them. Any cage, any enclosure, any, carrier, anything, you always want to make sure that it is a safe, fun space for your bird. You don't ever want to force them in there. And if you do force them, if you have to force them, obviously put treats in there for them, put toys in there that they may like, but then slowly start to work on it when you can. So that way they're more of a voluntary being able to go and step into the crate when they can. So again, right there, again, I could quickly close it. When he's in the carrier, I'm going to reward with treats in a bowl, right? Another thing you can do to help your bird get used to the crate is put this in a room that they frequent often, leave the door open and put some treats in it. Good job, good job. Good job, buddy, good job. So now I can close the door. So we're just going to close the door. And now I'm going to do some targeting from outside of the cage. Check. Check. Now he's freaking out just a little bit. So I want him to kind of focus in here. Jack, hey. Good boy. Here. He wants to come out here. Here, look. I want to focus him again. Here you go. There it is. Good job. Now I'm going to open this back up for him. Good boy. Good job. Yay. That's a good little boy. Can you target up here? Come on. Come on. Are you struggling? Are you doing your birdie pull-ups? Job. Good job. Yay. Look at that, guys. Oh, that's awesome, Zip. I love that. It's so helpful. I will swear by this tool, you guys. This is a really, really, really great tool to use with your birds when you feel like you can't handle them or you need them to go somewhere. and they won't listen to you. The target game is always fun, and it's always something fun to do with your birds. So, hi, Tanya. How are you doing? Hello. Yeah, Jack still wants to play again. All right, so let's see if we can just target Jack into the carrier. Charlie, you're not playing the game right now. No. Jack, can you step up? Good boy. Can you go right here? Come here, right here. See how he's still pretty shy of wanting to go inside the carrier? That's okay. So let me keep focusing on him outside the carrier first then. Let's make the outside fun. Now I'm going to go a little lower here so he has to come down to me. Sometimes getting lower also helps your bird. If you're standing too tall, they're not going to want to be lower than you. That's just a bird in general. They like to be high. Hi, Charlie. Charlie, you want to fit? You can't fit in there. You can't fit in there. Can you go over here, Charlie? Come on. Touch. Good girl. All my birds know the target game. Every single one of them knows it. They seek it as a positive game. Hi. You're so silly. You're so silly. All right. Can you come back here? So see how I'm standing pretty tall? I'm going to see if he wants to target here. If he doesn't, I'll get lower. There he goes. There he goes. Come on. There it is. Good boy. Good job. Good job, Jack. Good job, Jack. Jump. And go up. Where's your brother? Where's Gussie? Where's Gussie? Charlie, she's such a funny girl. Is my reception okay, you guys? New live goal. Thank you guys. All right, let's switch this live goal here. Thank you all so much. Zip. Bobby's here. Hi, how are you? Thank you so much, Zip. Thanks, Bobby. I appreciate you guys. They're just screaming. They're not going to come out if they're just screaming their heads off. Weirdos. But we're going to get those guys out of here soon. We're going to get the big birds out. All right, let's see. So Charlie, I've been working on the harness with her. And let's see if I can get her to touch it. And then I'm going to click and give her the reward. So we don't need the target stick here because I'm going to use the harness as a target with the reward. Can you touch? Good girl. Where you going? Where you going? Come here. Good girl. Good job. So I got to start over with Charlie a little bit. We went backwards with the harness because Mom got too excited. So now I got to start from the beginning. Right. Now I got to start from the beginning. Good girl. So with Charlie, I've been working on training the harness because Charlie doesn't take to a harness real well. I think she was scarred. Oh, nice, Patty. I love that for her. That's awesome. Hi from Australia. That's so cool. Hi, Song Vibes. Welcome in. Yeah, Charlie is looking good for sure. She's getting better and better. Come on. Good girl. I'm losing my religion. Good girl, Charlie. At least she's touching it and not like completely flying away from it. Oh, thank you so much, Sophia. How are you? Bobby, appreciate you for all the roses. Thank you, thank you. They're very smart animals, yes. So your parrots are going to have an attention span anywhere from a 2 to 6 year old, depending on the parrot. Ours, I would say, have an attention span about a 3-year-old. I would say all of ours do. Your Amazons, your African Greys are going to range up more into the 4 to 6 year olds. They're definitely super intelligent, but Come touch. Good girl. And Charlie here's a rescue. We've had Charlie for about 2.5 years now. We got Charlie back in September of 2022, right after Hurricane Ian. All right, do some more targeting with Charlie. Good girl. Hi, Winnie. Thank you so much for the heart me. I appreciate that. Simba's doing well. So everything looks so much better. Nice, Dirty Max. I love that for you. That's awesome. So bright. Oh my gosh, I need to get my sunglasses, but they're going to eat my sunglasses. How are you doing? It's been a while. I haven't seen you in a while. How much was she? She was priceless. Winnie, appreciate you for the hand heart. Thank you so much. Hi, Charlie. What are you doing? Do it again? Come on. Come on. What do you hear? What is that? Charlie, come on. Good girl. Good job. See if I can get Gussie. Gussie, Gussie! Gussie, Gussie! Both those kids over there are chewing on the tree. Just gnawing on the tree. Hi, Lori. Happy Wednesday. How are you? Teach Charlie good day, mate. That would be funny. I just don't say it often, so it would be really hard to teach because I don't say it too often. So that would be a hard one to teach. These guys are eating the tree. We got Gussie right there. Gussie. And we got Jack and Charlie. Hi, Cheeky you. How are you doing? Thank you, Sam. I appreciate that. Oh, yeah, no way. That's funny, David. He's squawking to Charlie. That's so awesome. See if I can get Charlie to do some target training. Let's see. Charlie, you want to do some targeting? Hi, Charlie Bird. Hi, Charlie Bird. All right. So I'm going to just see if I can get a cue out of Charlie here. Charlie, hit the target stick. Can you come down here? Come here. Hey. You don't want to come? Huh? Hi. What you doing up there? What you doing? So one thing that I love to do is kind of play a little tricks with my birds, right? Things that will motivate them to come down. And one thing with Charlie that she loves the most is when I sit down in this chair. And normally she likes it because it gives her kind of an opportunity to come and hang out with me. I'm not really asking her to do a whole lot. I'm just going to try this theory and just see kind of what she does this time around. A lot of the times it does work pretty well, but we'll just see kind of what Charlie wants to do and see if she wants to come down and hang out for a little bit. Charlie, what are you doing? What you doing up there? Hi. Want to come hang out? Come on. Come here. Charlie, it's so bright out. I think I need to go get my sunglasses. Rawr. Rawr, Charlie. All right, well, this theory is not working right now. Maybe give it a second. We'll see what she does. Hi, Charlie. You go poop? You go poop? Charlie, Come here. You don't want to hang out with me today? Huh? Can you go? Ah, 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 ah. Ah, 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 ah. Can you say, peekaboo? Peekaboo? Peekaboo, Charlie? Bless you. Bless you, Charlie Bird. Bless you. Yeah. Man, I'm gonna go get my sunglasses, guys. I gotta go get my sunglasses. Has Charlie feel out with you today? What do you mean, Sam? I'm gonna go grab my sunglasses real quick, you guys. I'll be right back. BRB. Losing fire at the sun. Hi, Charlie. All right, now I can see. Oh, you hand raised an Alexandrian? That's awesome. I love that. Those are such pretty birds. They look so similar to your Quaker parrots for sure. So beautiful. You're going to Europe in April. Oh, Nancy, I wish. That'd be awesome. I wish. We would so help you with that. Oh, feel much better now. I'm not having to squint. Now I'm not having to squint. Nobody wants to hang out with me. They're being boring. Guys, what are you doing? What are you doing? Come here, Charlie. Come on. Come hang out. All right, I'm going to get Hopi out then. All right, we're going to get one bird out, Hope and Kalia. Let's get Kalia out first, and then we'll bring out Hope. Let's bring Kalia. Simba, puppy, why are we screaming so loud? Huh? Hopi, come on, kid. And I don't know if I can do it. All right, which one of you are going to be good? Huh? Leah, if I bring you out, you're not going to scream your head off. Huh? What? What? All right, we'll bring Hopi out first. Wait, no, Leah, come on. Come on, Leah. Bringing your sister out first. Go, Hopi. Go, Hopi. Leah, come here. Come here. Good job. Here. All right, listen. No, Leah. All right, we got Hopi. Hey, you. You. Let's do some targeting. Come on. Let's do some targeting. Hopi. All right, let's see if we can get Hopi to do some target training. She's on the very high. Oh, there she goes. All right, let's see if we can work with her here. Hopi dopey. Hey, you, come on. Hopi, come on. Come on, birthday girl. Here it comes. Whoa. Go, Charlie! You need a second? Hey, you! What are you guys doing? Opie, your sister's not coming out right now. Opie, hey, come here. Hey, can you focus on me and not your sister screaming? Opie. Hi, Gussie. Opie. Opie. Hey, come on. Opie. Come here. She's very focused on her sister right now. She hears her screaming inside. Leah really wants to come out. I think I'm just going to let her out. We'll just let her out. What? Are you going to listen now? Are you settling down? Can I ask for one more card? Come on. Can I ask for one more target? Come on. Opie. Come on. Can you touch? Good girl. There we go. Do I got your attention now? Do I got your attention now? Huh? Huh? You ready? Can you go back up? Go. Good job. All right, come back. Opie. Come on, I had you. Did I lose you? Opie. There it is. Good girl. Good job. All right. Do I still got you? Go here. There you go. Good job. All right. Can we do one more back? Opie, come on. Opie, come on. Opie, come. See if I can get her to target to my shoulder. Opie, hey, come on. Come on. No? All right. Can you come here? No. I think did I lose her? Did I lose her? Opie, there it is. Good girl. There you go. So I'm really looking for her to look to me for information. She's getting distracted. There's somebody moving their garbage can. There's birds, flying around. There's a lot going on. Her sister's screaming. So I'm really seeing if I can keep her attention to listen to me and look to me for information. We talk about this a lot, especially when we free fly, because there's so many distractions that happen out in the wild. And if we can still have them look to us while they're being distracted, that's a good thing. It seems like she's still distracted, but she's still listening to me as well, which is really, really good. Show wings. Show wings. Show wings. Good job. Good job. Now, Hope is birthday's today. She turned 3 years old today. It's an automatic mister. I can show you that in 1 second. In City Man, I'll show you that in a second. Let me just keep working with her. Hi, Over It. How are you? Thank you so much for the gifts. I appreciate you. So Hope is 1 year, Hope is 3 years old today. Hope, are you 3? Are you 3? Are you 3? Can you ask the chat how they are? Good job. How are you? Good job. Good job. All right, let's see if I can move her around while I still have her here. You ready? Can you go up? Up. Come on, up. Good job. Good job. All right, come back down. Come on, right here. Good girl. Good girl. Good job. All right, come. Hi, Gussie. Go, Gussie. Opie, come. Good girl. Hey, get off. That was mean. You're a bully. Hi, Jack. Jack, come. Good boy. Here. Good job. Opie. All right. See if I can get a target from her from all the way up there. Opie dopey. Hi, Gussie. Now you want to play, Gussie? I'm not playing with you. I'm playing with Opie. I'm not playing with you. Gussie's so on to this target stick right now. He's on it. Both of these guys are. You guys, no. You want to do some crate training then? I got both of you. Let's work on some crate training. Yeah. Let's pretend we're free flying and it's time to go home. Opie. Opie, come here. Come on. Wanna go back in? Hi, Gussie. Touch. Good job. Go. Opie, come on. Come on, Opie. Come on. Come on. No? All right, I'll get your sister. Go. Good job. All right, we're gonna let Leah out real quick. Hi, Leah. Come on. There we go. Simba. All right, Mr. Gussie. Gussie. Where'd you go? Hey, stop. Gussie. Gussie. Leah. Where'd Gussie go? Are you Gussie? No, you're Jack. Gussie! Hey, you! Come here! Hi, Jack. Come on, Gussie! Gussie! Hey! No? All right. We'll work on target training with Jack. I'm back to the crate. Here, come on. Job. Hi, Leah. How are you? Leah, can you go up here? Come on. Job. Here. Good girl. Leah, you want to do some target training? All right. Let's play around with Leah. Jack, we're not going to do anything with you right now, okay? You can just go hang out. Sorry, guys. I can't answer too many comments while I'm working and training. It gets a little chaotic with the birds, as you guys can tell. But we do training every day to get them ready and knowledgeable for free flight at all times. So because we free fly them in the wild, we have to make sure that we continue their training as much as possible, and that their training is kept up with, and that they're always looking to us for information. Hi, Leah. Can you come right here? Good job. Now, I've taught both Hope and Kalia how to target train since they were very, very, very little babies. Since they started to walk, we taught them how to target train. So, oh, thank you so much. Hi, sassy squirrels. How are you? Good to see you. Hi, Smiley. How are you? We are in Florida. We are located in Florida. Jack's up. All right, let's see, Leah. Where can we put you? Where can we put you? Can you go here? Go here? Here? Now, you should be able to allow your bird to be targeted wherever you ask them to target to. Changing up their environments and not always keeping it the same is always fun to do because it gives them a different area to land each time and sees if they can listen to you on cue. I'm gonna see if I can get Leah to come to this chair here. Let's see. Leah! Leah! Come on! Leah, Leah! Leah! Come on, Leah! Come on! Come on, Gussie! Come on, Gussie! See if we can get Gussie here. Come on, Gussie! Gussie, Gussie! Oh, we got Jack. Here, Jack. Touch. Boy. Gussie! Nope, the sisters are not listening. They are not paying attention to me at all. Leah. Leah, hey, come on. Gussie, I already started calling you. Come on, Leah. Come on, Leah. Touch. Good girl. All right. Can we focus now? Can I have you target to the chair? Can you go here? Go here. Come on, Leah. Look at Gussie's going. Come on. Come on. Yeah, good job. Good job. You're a bully too, though. Didn't need to bully Gussie. Leah, come. Touch. Job. Leah, come. Come on, Leah. Jack. Jack, come on. Jack. Come on, Leah. Come on. Touch. Good girl. She's just like, I got this. You're so silly. You're so silly. Yeah, you're silly bird. Are you silly bird? Can I have a kiss? Good job. Hi, Charlie. See, that was pretty good by Kalia. She didn't go there at first, but then she caught on to it, so that was really good. Hey, get off. Now you don't need to be a bully. Gussie! Yeah, she's doing good. She did really good on those targets. Why did I make it? We're doing really well. Thanks for asking. How are you? See if we can get Gussie. Gussie! Gussie! Hi, Jack. Gussie! Come on! Gussie! Gussie! You want to come? Come here. Touch. Good girl. Hi, Charlie. Leah, ready? Go. Hopi, you want to come? Hopi, you want to come? You want to come? No? Jack's coming. Here, Jack. Here. Good boy. Good boy. There you go. Leah, you don't need to go up there with her because you're going to be a bully. Ready, Jack? Go, Jack. Good job. Gussie! Come on! Come on, Gussie! Go get Gussie off the net. Gussie's just hanging on the net over here. That's the same whistle you use? That's awesome. I love this whistle. Gussie is hanging on the net. Right there. Yes, the little birds can talk. Oh, that's awesome. I love it, Mary. Thanks for being here. Guys, thank you so much for tapping that screen. Thank you, thank you. Tapping you guys, sharing the live definitely helps the live. Thank you guys so much for those roses. Very much appreciated. Let's change our goal. I'm good, Hopi. How are you? Thank you guys so much. How do we train them? Exactly what we're doing right now. We're actually doing some training right now. It's okay. The little one is a red factor sun conure. Red factor sun conure. Come in. Come in. Where'd Gussie go? Is he still on the net? Gussie, get off the net. Hey. Oh, somebody lost a feather. Who lost a feather? Is this Charlie? Oh, yeah, that's definitely Charlie. Smells like Charlie. Ooh, it smells so good, guys. They have literally, oh, it smells so good, guys. I know it sounds weird, but literally, like, blue and golds have like the best smell. Like, it's almost like to me, it smells like a floral baby. if that makes sense. Oh, thanks, Amanda. Yes, thank you so much, Sassy Squirrel. Hi, Alexander. How are you? But this is a Charlie feather. This is a secondary flight feather. Hi. It won't let you pin. Could be a setting. Let me look and see. No, you're able to pin. I just took it off and redid it, so hopefully it'll let you now. I just took it off and redid it. Patty, it just really depends. They can molt it out either once or twice a year, depending on the bird. Normally, our birds, from what I've seen, is they molt once a year. Did you just pin that? Did you just pin that, Sassy Squirrel? Oh, Fearless pinned it. I wonder why it's not letting you do it. Oh, look who we have. Gussie, let's work on some crate training. We're going to work on Gussie's crate training. Hey, All right, Gussie, you ready? You come in here. Come on, Gussie. Come on. Come on. Come on. Gussie's really good at this. I've been working on crate training with Gussie for a while now. So good job. It did not start out like this. So it's been a work in progress. So I'm going to have him target all the way back to the side of the perch. Now, as you can see, I'm putting my target stake inside of the crate and targeting him all the way back to the crate. Now, this kid is going to learn from this too. Good job. So Gussie will teach Mr. Jack this as well. Hey, enough. Jack, what do you see up there? Good job. Gussie. Good job. All right, well, that was pretty easy for Gussie. Come on, come on. Job, touch. Boy. It's very easy for Gussie. He goes in it right away. Oh. You're a mod on a few and you get trouble as well lately. Oh no, like pinning? Yes, Gus is in the yep. Okay, sounds good, Sassy Squirrel. That's weird, yeah, because you're on there for pinning, so you are able to do it. That's interesting. Are you guys hot? Should we grab your water real quick? Can I have a kiss? Good job. Hope can I have a kiss? Good job. Let me go grab some water. Ready? Go. Okay. I'll grab them some water real quick. Gussie, are you going in there? Here, Gussie. Look. Here. Here you go. Here you go, Gussie. Go get him. Ow. Okay, we're getting your brother and we're getting water. So nice to meet ya when you come around. Yeah. You want some? You don't want any water? You guys want to go back inside? Here you go, Sam. Here you go, Bob. Here you go. Here, Sam. Here you go. Did he go in? Did he go in? You didn't go in. Come on. Come on in. Let's go. Come on. Time to go. We got to go home. We got to go home. Good job. Good job, Gussie. All right, time to go home, Gussie. No. He dipped out. He said, no. Wait. Gussie, come here. No, he's like, I'm not coming back. Come here, Jack. What are you guys eyeing? What do you guys see? Oh, it's balloons. That's so sad. There's balloons floating in the air up there. So sad. And they're like, they think it's something crazy. You guys can kind of hear them. He says, no, I'm not crazy. Oh, he is saying that. Aren't you? What, do you guys see the balloons? I know, I shouldn't be doing that. That's sad. I know. Sad thing is the bird could fly into that and get their wings all tangled. Ugh. It's okay, Simba. Don't fly, Bubby. You're okay. You're okay. Everybody's alerting because of the balloons. Everybody's okay. Everybody's freaking out right now because of the balloons. I know, right? I know, Heather. It's so sad. I don't get it. I don't get it. Hi, Jim. How are you? Ah, Simba. Yeah, he's hanging in there. Every day, he's gonna get better and better. What? Every day, he's gonna get better and better. Gussie! Gussie, what happened to crate training? Oh, I'm sorry, Barry. I hope you do too. Definitely. Definitely rescue if you can. If you guys are just joining, welcome in. Thank you all so much for being here. Thanks for tapping that screen. Simba has a plucking issue. So unfortunately, he's got to have this on for about 6 months right now. So, Simba. Come on. Look. Come on. You got your bow tie on. This is Simba's bow tie. Right. Is this your bow tie? This is his bow tie. Right, Leah? Right. So Simba, hey, shh. Stop. Simba. Hi. Are you giving kisses? Huh? Ugh. Is that a pine nut? Ew. Yeah, Simba's collar matches in there. Mindy, thanks for sharing the live. These guys are still doing their What do you guys see? You say hello. Hello. Simba. Hello. Say hello. Oh, what was that? Hello. Say hello. 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 What? Does any of the other birds... Are you talking about preen Simba, you mean, Sassy? No, I do. I preen Simba. Yeah, they're fun. Lots of work, though, guys. These guys are a lot of work. They require a lot of dedication, a lot of time, a lot of education. There's a lot that goes into owning parrots. They're animals that should have never been put in captivity. What? 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 Here you go. You're in the shade. Now you're in the shade. Now you're in the shade. Hi, you. Can you wave to the camera? Wave. Can you wave? Good job. Hey, Cam. Here you go. Yeah. The dog wants to. Ow, that was my ear. Now I'm deaf. No, not all. No, not all. Not just males talk. Pretty much a lot of birds will talk if you teach them, but not every bird has the drive to learn how to talk, right? Like, not every bird is the best talker. Not every bird is free flyer. Hey, stop. Enough. Can you say hello? Good job. All right, ready, set, go. All right, Sam, you're going in. Come on, come on, come on. I don't want you to just get spooked and then fly, because that would be really bad. That would be really bad. You coming in?